Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stuff. Hello everyone, hope you're fine, you're good and healthy. And for today, we will do a dollar. Is it a Dollar Tree makeup haul? Yes, a makeup haul from Dollar Store. So I have this makeup already since last year, but I don't have time to film it, so this is the time that I will explore what's in there for a drugstore or cheaper, like a Dollar Tree makeup. And yes, it's on my face right now. So yeah, I just want to explore what makeup is there. So let's begin. For our first makeup, of course, I do the brows. So I am using LA Colors eyeliner brow pencil. So this is 2-in-1. And I thought in the package it says black and brown. I thought it's black and brown, but I guess it's like either black or brown. So what did I expect? But it has a sharpener, which is, I love it. And this is the one I use in my brows right now. I just put the Wonder Gel I have. And yeah, it's I wish it's a little bit darker, but I like the color. What do you think of the color of my brows? Is it too brown? It's too light? I'm not sure. But let me grab one and I will do swatch in my hand. So yeah, this is the tip. And it's wood, so it's not, you have to be like careful about it. So that's the color. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm sorry I don't have a lot of lights right now because my ring light, we can find the wires. I only have 2 soft box right now, so it looks like red. So yeah, it's not bad at all. And it's easy, and yeah, it works in my brows. Okay, for the next one, it's eyeshadow. I will gonna tell you in advance that I do grab a lot of LA Colors makeup because that's mostly makeup you find in dollar store. And I know I saw a lot of people that have like different varieties, but on that Dollar Tree that I went to is mostly LA Colors what is this makeup. But I got the 12 color LA Colors eyeshadow, and Orban is the name of the palette. And this is what I got in my eyes right now. So I grab it in the package. So what I did is, and I don't know if you can it would show in the camera, but on the top I use the what is this? Oh, by the way, I didn't use this, like trash. So this one, the yellow one, I used that all the way on the top. And then my nose. And then this 2 green, I put that here, like make it a sandwich here on the outer and inner corner of my eyes. And then this one is a little bit shimmer, and I put it in the middle, but it doesn't work. It doesn't, like, I can't see the pigment, so I put the highlighter, which I'm gonna show it in a little bit. And this palette, oh my god, if you can avoid it, avoid it. It's not my favorite. Like, oh my goodness, it feels like I spent like an hour just to blend my eyes. It looks beautiful in the camera, like, don't get me wrong, but when I use it, like, it looks matte on the palette, but it's mostly, it is shimmer, like this both here. It is so chalky. Oh my gosh. Here, let me clean this up. And yeah, here, let's do some swatch. So that's both green. It is shimmer and it's so powdery. Powdery. My gosh. And then yellow. Let me put the yellow. Yes. It feels like it doesn't show. And this one too. I use this one also in the middle. Oh my god, did you see that? Really powdery. Really powdery. Like, put it there. You can see it in my hand. It has like very chalky. Really chalky, very powdery, and I don't know, I'm having a hard time blending my eyes. Like eh, this is like twice I use this palette because I'm practicing in it, and it feels like it's like half already. I'm using half of the shadow. So if you can see this, and if you love makeup, I don't know if it's, but I don't recommend it. Pass. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm so harsh on the palette because oh my goodness, I have a hard time. But this one, the Auto Eyeliner LA Colors, black or brown, but this one is brown. So I use this to waterline, and I don't know. It feels like it needs more pigment though. But yeah, you can see it's there. But I don't know if you can see it. It's just my green is so vibrant right now. But this one, I don't mind using it for $1. Sure. Yeah. Yeah, I would say yeah, try this one. Okay, the next product that I'm gonna talk about for me is I found a jewel in a dollar store. Yes. And I'm talking about the Wet n Wild Caution Foundation SPF 15. And it says contains natural coconut and color is nude beige or light medium warm, but I'm a medium with yellow undertone, and it feels like it's what you call this is a lighter here. It's a lighter color on me. I love the Wet n Wild though. That's why when I saw this in dollar store, and if you see this in a dollar store, grab it. Like, oh my god, this is the first time I use this, and when you see it on the pan, it looks dark. But I use sponge. I don't use, it has a sponge itself, like here. It has its own sponge, but I don't use that, but like, nope. So I have a beauty blender today, and here, let me put it in my hand, and oh my g, it's a lighter than my skin color, but when you blend it, it's like buttery. It's like foundation butter. It makes my face so sheer. It's not matte. It feels like I'm glowing. And I don't know why, but when like it's, I don't know, it looks like a little bit pink on me. I don't know. Can you see it in my hands? It's so shared. It feels like you have a natural glow that you have like glitter. No, not glitters, but it's like it feels like you have highlighter, and yeah, oh my g, it's like I really love it, like really love it. And if I'm gonna see it again in dollar store, yes, 2 thumbs up. I'm so sad that I didn't find any concealers, or maybe I do, or maybe it's LA, I'm not sure, but I didn't pick up any concealers. But bronzers. When I see this one, it says Beauty Benefit. I thought it's like what is that? The Benefit, the balm, I think. But this one, I love the packaging. It's pink. Actually, this one is inside. I love the packaging. It's like Barbie, But this one is a bronzer, and I love it. It's very pigment, And when I apply it, I don't have any problem. It's not powdery. It doesn't, when you like, look at that. It feels like when I saw this one, it's like, oh, it's gonna be so dark on my skin tone. But no, it's not. Just have a light, what you call this application, light hand application. So it doesn't like, what is that? It doesn't make your face look like you know, um, sand, sand. But here, it's easy to blend. I love them. Like, here, look at in my hand. When you blend them, it's so creamy. It's creamy. Um, yeah, I love it. I love the color. You can see in my face. Yeah. So this one, I would say it's like 2 thumbs up. I'm gonna buy it again. Maybe if they, I love this one. I love the, what is this? The Beauty Benefit Hollywood is the name. So yeah. Okay, I forgot to mention about another beauty benefit. This is so tiny, but this is a powder. Let me open up. It is a foundation powder. I'm already using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation that I got somewhere. It's cheap. I got it cheap. And then I forgot about that I have this one. And then I used it underneath my eyes. And oh my goodness, it's so soft. It's so buttery. Like, how many times am I gonna say buttery in this video? But like, I love it. It's a little bit chalky, yes, but it feels like, I don't know if it's showing my camera, but it feels like it has highlighter. It doesn't what is that, plug on my pores. It doesn't show my pores, but it feels like it's very glowy on my skin. And I said, oh, this is tiny, but it's a good one. Like, try this one. I hope they have like a bigger size of this. Like, I would buy it again. I would. The next one is, of course, from LA. LA Colors highlighter in Shine Bright. Shine Bright. I'm just kidding. So, this is the highlighter that I'm talking about, that I put it in the middle of my eyes. Yeah. So this is the one. It's yeah, I'm not saying that it's really good, but I like the color. It's very chalky, but it works. Like, you can see it here. Like, this is the highlighter I'm using. It's very subtle. Like, here, it's chalky. Yeah, but it works. Like, here, let me put more so you can see it. But it works. For $1, why not? Grab it. If you know, into makeup, it's not bad at all. Not bad at all. But it's chalky. Yeah. Okay, the next to the last, no, not the last one, but the next one is Wet n Wild mascara, and this one is very black. And I would say, like, it's not really volumizing. I don't see it, but I can see that my lashes a little bit longer. But for $1, it's not bad. Like, mascara, it's not supposed to be expensive because you put lashes, fake lashes. So I'm not really very, what you call this, like, particular in mascara, but it works. Like, for $1, sure. Yeah. And yes, I use fake lashes, but it feels like it's so natural in my eyes, or you can't really see it. But I use the Wet n Wild. I saw this in the dollar store, and I'm not really into like crazy lashes. So when I say this, it's like, oh, it looks like natural. I don't know. What do you think, guys? But it feels like it's not my favorite shape, but I think it works in my eyes. And Wet n Wild, it's very light, and I don't even feel like I have a fake lashes. So I would say maybe I will give it a try again. And for the last product in dollar store, yay, we're almost done. Um, we'll talk about Remy Rose. This is Ariana Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and this is the one I'm using right now. Like I've been looking, different lipstick. It's mostly like what is this, like LA? I don't know why I don't see any elf. Like the last time I checked there, they have a lot of elf, but when I went there, um they don't have a lot of elf that day. But I saw this one and like, okay, I'm gonna try check it out. And it's it's not really pigmented. I don't like, here, let me swatch for you. So I layered it. I think I layered two layer for this lipstick. It's not bad, but you just layer them. I wish they have like nude, because I'm having a green makeup today, so eyeshadow I mean. But it's not bad. It's a little bit, at first when you applied it, it's sticky, but after like a while, maybe 5 minutes, it's not, it's still a little bit have sticky, but it's not that sticky like the Beauty Bakery. Oh my god, that one is like this is, it's okay if it's $1, but it's not $1. It is so sticky lipstick. And that's it. Okay, bye. I'm just kidding. Okay, so we are ready for our thoughts for today, and I would say going to dollar store and grabbing some makeup in dollar store, you can find not so good, so, and like a jewel. Like for me, my favorite one is the foundation. I love the Wet n Wild foundation. Maybe I'm gonna grab a little bit darker than that one, but it's not bad. What do you think, guys? I love it. And when I use it, it's like it glows your face. So I love the Wet n Wild, and I do love the Beauty Benefit, the contour, the bronzer. And what else I love? What else I love? So I think that's the one. Like, let me check. Yeah, I think that's the only product that I give a 2 thumbs up. But mostly it's like so, and the eyeshadow, like, forget about it. It's like, nope. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like it, and if you are near in a dollar store, try it. And yeah, leave in the comment what is your favorite dollar store makeup. Maybe I could go back and looking for it. But yeah, comment, give me a like, and subscribe, guys. So always remember, there's always someone who loves you. Shalom, guys.